Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe down below. Today I have my senior pictures, which is super exciting, and I think I get them in a week. I'm not totally for sure, but it's my first time having a photo shoot, and I'm doing my makeup. I'm doing my makeup myself, which is nerve-wracking because if you're not new to my channel and you kind of seen my other makeup routines, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna fake it till I make it, and it's gonna look good and fresh. So I'm just gonna start off by putting some moisturizer. So I've actually tried filming a couple of times, which did not turn out that good. So it's charging right now, but I am currently using an iPhone 5, and the quality is just not the same. But I have a camera, which is right here, which is a really nice camera for taking pictures, but it's not the best for videography. So, and I also don't know how to edit on a Windows computer, which is what I have. Well, it's a laptop, so not computer, but still, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm filming on my dad's phone. I'm not gonna have that many. I'm not gonna have that many videos posting a lot, just because I broke my phone and that's what I used to film. So yeah. So I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and I'll be right back. So I just kicked my dog out of my room, and then I accidentally stepped on a squeaky toy. So that made him mad. So if you hear a banging on the door, it's just him trying to climb his way in here. So as you can kind of tell, I have a lot of acne, so I'm gonna help that little stuff out. He's getting yelled at. He's like, come on, come in here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my Born This Way Too Faced, and just put that everywhere, because we're trying to get full coverage over here, okay? So I haven't posted in a while. I told y'all why my phone broke, and that's what I used. I filmed a vlog on my iPhone 5 today, which is because I'm getting my, I went shopping today and everything, but it did not turn out good at all. So I'm just not going to even try to edit that. The quality is just not the same. I mean, I don't know why I thought it would. It's a 5 to a 7. I have a 7 plus, and I'm using a 5. So I don't know why I thought it would maybe work. But when I want to film and I want to edit so much, I just used what I had. And that's what I had. This kind of looks different on camera, but I say that's everything I do. So I put all my foundation on. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Not do too much, just because I don't know what to do when it gets down to all that. But I don't know how to make it blend well if I do too much concealer. So after that, I'm going to take my banana, what's this called again? Setting powder, which I think is just a baking powder. I don't know. Last time I made a joke, but I'm not gonna make it again. You should go check out my old video. I think it was my everyday makeup routine, which honestly has not changed that much. If I filmed another one. Now I'm going to, let's do my eyes. So I'm just gonna use my Tarte double Happy Girl Shine Brighter palette. I think that's what's called. I don't even know. And just get out a brush. Let's go with just a simple brush. And I'm going to do it on the other side because I feel like if I don't do it on the other side right now and I do it off camera, it's just not going to look the same. So I'm going to treat them equally the same and do them at the same time. Now I'm going to go in with the Messy Bun, which is this one right here. Look. Okay, yeah, this one, the Messy Bun. And just kind of put it on my eyelid. Enough that you can see that it's glittery, but not too much where it starts to look crusty and dusty. I'm low-key James Charles, so. And then I'm going to get a bigger brush. I don't know what it's called. Don't know anything about this, but. And put in Live Boldly and barely touch it because I've used this one before. And this thing is big. And I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just adding color a little bit. But not too deeply. Okay, can you see? You can kind of see. And doing it to the same, doing it to the other eye, the same thing. I'm just trying to make it a little pink and like, okay, it doesn't look that good on camera, but it looks kind of good in person. Just gives it some volume. I like it. We're sticking with it. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and put it in Posse and put it in the corner of my eyes, which I don't even know what it's called, but that to make my eyes look bigger, because heaven knows, Lord knows, everybody knows that I look Chinese when I smile. So I don't know why I shut that. Oh, and I'm done with that. So that's my eyeshadow look. Now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, which I have talked about it before. I hate eyeliner. I'm just gonna put it a little bit right here, like right there. I don't know what it's called. I like watching makeup routines that they know what they're doing, and so they'll call it a certain thing. And I'm like, oh, I didn't know it was called that. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes with my little curler. And my eyelashes low-key suck. It already has a little bit of mascara on it. That's why my eyelashes low-key look better than normal. But I'm using the Better Than Sex Too Faced waterproof because I don't know how much crying I'm gonna do. If she wants a photo of me crying, I'm ready. Or if she's mean and makes me cry, I'm ready. I don't know why I put that there. Now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows because they're not even that bad. I don't even know why people do this. I do it to make them look a little more put together, but they basically know what they're doing. So I'm going in with Girl Code of this and just darkening areas that need help, even though none of my eyebrows need help. Yeah, y'all are so good. Oh, you're making a joke where some people just don't have eyebrows. My bad. Ew, see, when I mess with them, I feel like it looks weird. Like, I feel like I just messed up my eyebrow. But I just don't care that much about eyebrows that I'm not gonna fix it. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pacifica. Oh my gosh, I think I already messed up my nail. I did. That's tragic. And I'm going to bronze my face because contouring is just not for me. I'm gonna try, but it won't turn out good. And then I'm going to get in the same thing and use this. That didn't work. I'll be back. Some highlighter. Excuse me. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Afterglow highlighting palette and use the No Angel. I normally use Click, which is amazing, but I've been using No Angel every time I like practice a look, and I low-key like it better. And then I'm just gonna put it on other areas that are gonna glow. And what else am I missing? I'm missing lipstick. So, as many people know, I hate lipstick and I hate a lot of other things. But for this, I need lipstick because this and this just don't go together. So, I'm going to dab and smear. Basically, I'm going to stain my face. I mean, not my face, my lips. And then I'm going to put on the old good chapstick because that's what I like. So this is my final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really like it, and it's time to go to pictures. And I'm gonna smile really big and I'm gonna smile really pretty and my Chinese eyes are gonna come out when I smile. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below your favorite song at the moment, which has nothing to do with this video, but there might be another video coming up that has to do with music. So see you next time. Bye. Mwah.